Hey, Sterling with Martin Marine. Sorry I hadn't made many videos lately. I'm just slam packed, summer's coming. But anyway, today we're going to show you how to pressure test a lower unit so you can find a leak if you do have one. Maybe you drained your gear oil and it was milky looking or something. But anyway, it's a pretty simple process. First you're going to drain the gear oil, which pretty self-explanatory. But after that you're going to need a pressure tester. Now Amazon sells a pressure tester. Looks like this, and it sells for probably $30–40 on Amazon. A lot of them look the same. Just type in pressure tester / vacuum tester, and basically this little brass nozzle, you press it forward and that is pressure. Then you're just going to need one of these hoses off of a pump that you use to pump gear oil in. You take that hose off and you put it on the end here, and we're going to screw it into that top hole on your lower unit, and that's how we're going to check it. And the bottom hole we're going to go ahead and keep plugged with the drain screw. Make sure your gear oil is already drained before you do this. Now this is option one. If you don't work on outboard motors all day long, I would probably just buy this pressure tester. However, I like to use the one by Blue Point. Looks like this. It's part number YA4000B, made by Snap-on, their side company called Blue Point. But anyway, I'm going to be using this one today just because it's the one I like to use. But so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and screw in this hose into this top vent hole, which we remove when we do the gear oil change. We're going to screw that in, and then we're going to start pumping up to 10 psi. So I'm not sure if you can see that. We're just going to pump up to 10. And basically we just want to make sure this isn't drifting down. If it is drifting down, we have a leak, and what we need to do is you just get a spray bottle and put some soapy water in it. You're going to spray around the back here, around the prop shaft, and see if you have any bubbles blowing out. And you may have to keep pumping it up, to find that leak. If there isn't a leak back here, it's coming from the water pump side, so you'll have to pull the lower unit off and spray bubbly water on the top of that. And I do have a video on how to change the water pump, and that video will show you how to remove the lower unit. This is pretty much the same process for any lower unit, so you can use this for other model Mercury motors. This is actually a 4-stroke motor, but they generally say it should hold 10 psi for 10 minutes. After that, you can just go ahead and bleed it off, unscrew it, and then you're pretty much done with that process. But I hope this helps some of y'all out, and if y'all have any questions, shoot me a comment down below. I try to answer all of them, but like I say, I stay really busy. I'm pretty much a one-man operation. I have 2 other guys that help me, but they have other things going on too, so it's mainly just me. But hope this helps y'all out. Thanks.